Guys, I'm doing a little video for the new Armorall vacuum cleaner. I have the jacuzzi. I got most of the water out, but usually I have to go in there and get the bottom water. I already started because some of the water gets caught in the seats, and I usually have to go in there and just get cups and put it in the bowl and throw it out and stuff. But this time I'm using my Armorall, or Armorall, I guess, vacuum cleaner, and it is fantastic. Not only do I use it, for dry, but for the car. But this is fantastic. I know it's loud. Anyway, it's fabulous. I love it. For the price, it's an incredible buy. You gotta get it.